Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can remove your payment method on Roblox account. If you have added a payment method and now you want to remove that method and add another method or anything, you can do it. For that, just open your Roblox account, go to your home page. At the bottom you can see there are different options. At the very right side, click on more options. Now here you can see there are many options. Now click on this setting option. When you click on the setting, now you have again many options, but here the option called payment methods. Just simply click on this payment methods, and now here all the your payment methods that you have added till now will be here listed here, so you can see that. If you want to remove now any method, just you click on that method and it will give you an option to delete account. So you just simply click on delete account, and your that payment method or bank card or anything will be deleted. So this is the way how you can delete your payment method on Roblox account.